Good morning, dear students. My name is Zainab Malak. Today we are going to study maths. Please have a look at these pictures. Why are these people wearing masks? COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The number of cases are increasing day by day. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring any type of special treatment. But people who are old in age and those who have medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer are most likely to develop serious illness. But have you wondered how do we calculate the frequencies of COVID patients in a particular state or area? There are around 3.17 million cases in India and 58,000 deaths. It is all calculated through numbers, graphs and statistics. So today we are going to study about statistics, how to calculate average and how to make a frequency distribution table. Let us look at the definition. Statistics. It is a mathematical study to gather, review, analyze and draw conclusions from data. Average. It means the sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers are being averaged. Frequency table. It is a method of organizing raw data in a compact form by displaying a series of scores together with their frequencies. Now let us have a look at the example. Nisha consumed healthy food 6 days a week. The number of calories she consumed every day is given below. We have to find average of this. So, she consumed tomato, cucumber, apple, watermelon, orange and carrot. And these are the calories which all these fruits and vegetables include. So, what is the formula for calculating average? Average is equal to sum of total number of calories consumed upon total number of days. So first we will add all the numbers which are given above. That is 33 plus 16 plus 52 plus 30 plus 47 plus 25. And we will divide it by total number of days. So in question it is given that she consumed healthy food 6 days a week. So we divide it by 6. When we add all these numbers, the answer is 203 divided by 6. And when we divide these two numbers, the answer is 33.83. 33.83 is the average. Here, Nisha started eating light dinner every night. We include lot of junk food in our daily diet, which is really bad for our health. It is very important to cut down unhealthy eating habits and switch to fruits and raw vegetables, which are extremely nutritious and good for our health. Quiz time. Now, students, please note down these two questions. These are very important from exam point of view. Now, let us look at the definition of frequency distribution or frequency table. It shows how a data set is partitioned among all of the several categories or classes by listing all of the categories along with the numbers, frequency of data, values in each of them. Now, what are the steps to create a frequency table? In the first column, which is on the left side, we will enter the scores in ascending order. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Next is we will read the scores in data and enter tally mark 1. If you read the score as 3, make 3. It makes it easier. Count the total number of tally marks in front of each score and enter the number in next column, that is the third column. This number is the frequency of that score. Now add all the frequencies that is in the right column. Their sum is denoted by the letter n. The sum is equal to the number of scores. This is how a frequency distribution table looks like. The example is given below and the frequency distribution table is also given. Now, in the first column, data, we will write all the numbers in ascending order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let us have a look at tally marks. So, the first number is 1 and in tally marks, we have to look at the examples. So, in example, 1 is given how many times we will calculate? 1, 2, 3. 1 is given 3 times. So, we write 3 in tally marks and in frequency we write the number 3. Similarly, 2 is given how many times? 2 is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So, in tally marks we write 5 and in frequency also we write 5. Now, following is the number of sit-ups done by students of class 7 daily. Draw up a frequency distribution table for these data. Okay, so the students have done sit-ups. So we have to make a distribution table here. First, we will enter the scores in ascending order, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, for calculating tally marks, we have to count 1. How many times does it occur? 1, 2, 3. And in frequency we write 3. Next, 2. How many times does 2 occur? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 times. Next is 3. How many times does 3 occur? 1, 2, 3. And in frequency also we write 3. Next is 4. How many times does 4 occur in the above example? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in frequency we write 4 and in tally marks we will draw 4 lines. 5. 5. How many times does 5 occur? 1, 2. So in frequency we write 2 and in tally marks we draw 2 lines. Next is 6. How many times does 6 occur? 1, 2, 3 and the frequency is 3. So now we will add all the numbers which are given in the frequency column. So we will add 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. So the total is 20. So it is also denoted by the alphabet N. So the total frequency is 20. Now, we should exercise regularly for physical well-being. Being fit not only keeps our body active but also our mind active. Doing regular yoga and Surya Namaskar is beneficial for your health. Please note down these questions in your notebook. Now, let us have a look at the disadvantages of eating junk food. It causes memory problems, it lowers your appetite, it may cause depression, it increases the risk of cancer, it increases in weight, rises blood sugar level, it causes kidney damage and it affects the skin. Now, let's have a quick recap. What did we study today? We studied about average and how to make a frequency distribution table. So, the formula for calculating average is total sum of all the numbers upon number of items in the set. And for making a distribution table, we enter the scores in left column in ascending order. We look at the example and we write tally marks. We write frequency, we add all the frequency and the total we get is also denoted by the alphabet N. Please write down this assignment in your notebook. You have to make a frequency distribution table for these scores. Thank you.